Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. This video will be a little bit different compared to the other tutorials. This time I'd like to ask AI about the 10 most important Austrian words. In this case I'm using Grok. Let's see what AI tells us. I start with a simple prompt. The prompt goes like this. Hi Grok. Please tell me the 10 most important Austrian words. Add a translation and an example. So I'm really curious what happens now. I'll be back. So here are the 10 most important words according to Grok. Number 10 is Oida. I'm sure you know the word. If you follow my channel, I've made a video about this word. We can translate it as dude or man, or an expression of surprise, especially when it comes to slang. One example would be Oida, wie cool is this? Man, how cool is that? Number 9 is Gemütlichkeit. The translation can be coziness or warmth, a feeling of comfort. Grok gives the example, im Kaffeehaus herrscht richtige Gemütlichkeit. And Gemütlichkeit is very important, so there's a real sense of coziness in the coffee house. Number 8 is Schnitzel. Grok translates Schnitzel as breaded cutlet. And you can say, ich bestelle ein Wiener Schnitzel mit Kartoffelsalat. I order a Wiener Schnitzel with potato salad. Now what's number 7 on the list? Number 7 is Dirndl. Dirndl is a traditional dress. And Grok says, sie trägt ein schönes Dirndl zum Oktoberfest. She's wearing a beautiful dirndl to the Oktoberfest. Dirndl has several more meanings. If you're interested in it, please check out my video about it. Number 6, Krampus. Krampus is a mythical creature punishing naughty children. The example is, die Kinder haben Angst, dass der Krampus kommt. The kids are scared that the Krampus will come. So the Krampus joins Saint Nicholas, who brings little presents for children on the 6th of December. On the 5th of December it's also called the Krampustag. Number 5 on our list, geschmackig. We can translate it as tasty or flavorful. The example, die Suppe ist wirklich geschmackig. The soup is really tasty today. Geschmackig. Let's see what's number 4 on our list. Number 4 is Schmäh. We might translate it as charm, wit, or similar. Der hat einen richtigen Wiener Schmäh. He's got real Viennese charm. Schmäh. Number 3 on the Grok list is Heuriger. Heuriger is a wine tavern. We could say, lass uns zum Wochenende zum Heurigen gehen. Let's go to a wine tavern this weekend. Heuriger. This is especially common in or around Vienna. Then the second most important word according to Grok is Jause. Jause is a snack or a light meal. Grok says, as an example, nach der Wanderung machen wir eine Jause mit Brot und Käse. After the hike, we'll have a snack with bread and cheese. Jause, you hear it all the time. For example, at school it's called Schuljause. And what's the most important word according to Grok? The most important word according to Grok is Grüß Gott. The translation is hello or a rather formal greeting. Grüß Gott, wie geht's dir oder wie geht's Ihnen? and it's a traditional greeting in Austria, Grüß Gott. If you follow the channel, I'm sure you've come across this greeting, and I can put a link to the video for greetings in Austria. I hope I could give you a little insight into the world of AI combined with Austrian German. So please check out the other videos on the channel. I would be very happy if you like the video or subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.